India Today reporting from the line of actual control. Straight from Lippo Lake, the strategically crucial Y junction near the India-China-Nepal tri-junction. This is one of the forwardest Indian Army posts along the LAC. A post that stands as the first line of defense in extremely challenging terrain.
देवभूमि के लाल, मातृभूमि के रखवाले, जहां पर भी दुश्मन से लड़े उनके हौसले पस्त कर डाले. Today India Today Group will give you exclusive coverage from the Lippo Lake and Kala Pani, the Y junction area, which is the border area of India, Nepal and China. This is not only the, you can call a pilgrimage location, but also very strategically important place, because this is the Y junction which can hold the borders of Y junction of two bordering states, bordering countries.
ठंड से लेकर ऑक्सीजन की कमी, एल्टीट्यूड के बदलने से जो सेहत पे फ़र्क पड़ता है उसके चैलेंजेस, और यहाँ पे रोज़ की जो ज़िंदगी है उस पे बहुत प्रभाव पड़ता है. इन सब चैलेंजेस से हमारी यहाँ पे जो डिप्लॉयमेंट है उस पर असर पड़ता है. लेकिन सालों पे साल यहाँ पे जो डेवलपमेंट हुई है, जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाने की हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उसको देखते हुए हमने इन सब चैलेंजेस का काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से सामना किया है. ये जगह बहुत सेंसिटिव है और सेंसिटिव होने के नाते यहाँ पे हमारी डिप्लॉयमेंट निहायत ही ज़रूरी है. और जबकि चाइना के साथ कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग मेजर्स जैसे आप जिक्र कर रहे थे काफ़ी हद तक चल रहे हैं, लेकिन जो विश्वास का डेफिशिएंसी है उसमें कमी हो रही है. विश्वास बढ़ रहा है. हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि बातचीत होती रहे और जो हमारी छोटी मोटी डिफरेंसेस हैं उनको हम बातचीत से इस इलाके में दूर कर लेते हैं.
The Army commander walked us through the operational preparedness on the LAC, showed us newly inducted weapons and introduced us to the Jawans who guard the nation round the clock in extreme weather conditions. But guarding the borders here is not easy. At extreme altitudes, oxygen is thin, temperatures are unforgiving, and survival itself is a daily challenge.
The most challenging situation, the most challenging part of all these areas, especially in the LAC area, is not only to establish the infrastructure but also to maintain the communication devices and the living accommodations for the soldiers. Right now I am at the Kala Pani LAC area. Right behind me is the tri-junction, or you can say a Y junction of this LAC area, Kala Pani area. And first I just need to show you the communication devices has been established in the most forward post of LAC. And second, the other important thing is the accommodation, the living accommodations of these soldiers. First, you can see the temperature outside right now is minus 30 degree temperature. So my camera person will show you exactly the temperature. This is minus 30 degree temperature. These are the ready to move or ready to base the porta cabins which our Indian Army has been using in all these forward locations. And let me take you inside this porta cabin, the centrally heated porta cabins. And first thing I just need to mention you is this. Right now, after entering to this porta cabin, the temperature right now in this porta cabin is around 20 degree. That means from outside it's minus 30 and now inside it's 20 degree temperature. that is suitable for the living accommodation for all these soldiers. You can see these soldiers are working for their routine works. They have been coming from a patrol, and now they have been doing their other documentation and other works which are their routine works. Let me show you exactly how these porta cabins have been worked. They are equipped with the solar energy panels. They generate the solar energy, and then these porta cabins have got electricity in these cabins. And you can see, let me show you one more important thing, how these centrally located porta cabins have been heated. These are the centrally heated boilers which are established at every location in these forward posts. And this is very important because for a very small works, if you need to do a small works of daily routines, you need a heating equipment, you need a heating cabins, you need a heating rooms, so that they can relax. Because if they are not going to relax, if they are not going to have a proper sleep and relax, they are not able to survive or not able to work in these challenging situations. India Today Group has been bringing you all these pictures from the forwardmost location of the LAC area, from Kalapani, a tri-junction area from where the China, Nepal and Indian borders comes together. And this is the forward location. We have been bringing you exactly what is the challenges our soldiers have been facing and what exactly they have been doing for us in these forward areas.
Beyond defending the border, the Indian Army also builds critical infrastructure roads and bridges that help in troop mobilization and also support pilgrims visiting Kailash Mansarovar.
अब सिंदूर के बाद जो टेक्नोलॉजी का बढ़ाव हुआ है, उसका प्रभाव यहाँ पर भी पड़ा है. जैसे मैं आगे आपको ये भी दिखाऊंगा कि कई आले नए आए हैं, ड्रोन से लेके कैमरा, रडार तक, जिनसे मॉनिटरिंग या निगरानी रखना ज़्यादा संभव हो गया है. कम्युनिकेशन पे भी बहुत सुधार हुआ है, चाहे वह वायरलेस हो, चाहे वायर्ड हो. इससे यहाँ पे रिमोट जगह के ट्रुप्स भी हमारे साथ हेडक्वार्टर्स में अच्छी तरह कनेक्टेड रह सकते हैं.
At Lippo Lake's Y Junction, where geography is tough and stakes are high, the Indian Army stands firm, protecting borders, enabling faith, and ensuring that India's frontiers remain secure. With Sumit Chaudhary, Bureau Report, India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.